Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how to change the resolution changes. I mean either 16 by 9 or 9 by 16 or 1:1 in Canva, that too with the existing project. So let's start. After opening the Canva, click on this create, then you will see this window, then click on custom size, then enter the width and height. For this video, I'm using these, then click on create new design. Next, I'm going to add a reference video here. I simply drag and drop it here. Perfect. So now it is completely filled the frame of 1920 by 1080. In other terms, it's 16:9 aspect ratio. So first we will see how to change this to 9 by 16. For that, click on here, resize. This pop-up like drop down will be opened. Then click on custom size. If you want, you can choose some pre-available things as well, but I like custom size to avoid the confusion. As you can see here, these are the some which I did earlier. I simply click on like this, so it takes the 1080 by 1920 resolution. Also, if you want, you can create multiple things from here as well. Make sure you enable it. Then click on copy and resize. If you select this option, this project will be there and one more project is going to be created. If you select this option, this current project will be redesigned to this units. So I'm selecting the copy and resize. Wait for some time. This pop-up will be shown. Click on open. So in another page, it will be opened. Now it is in 1080 by 1920. If in case you want to fill out this complete frame, simply select that video and use these highlighters and adjust it. And if you want to adjust the framing, simply double press like this and you can move the video however you like it. Then press on done. That's it. Now 9 by 16 ratio is created. The same steps you need to follow if you want to create the 1:1 aspect ratio or 1000 by 1000. This is useful if in case you want to upload on Instagram feeds. As you can see here, it is created. Then again, adjust with the help of these highlights. That's all. This is how you can resize the existing project into multiple aspect ratios in Canva. Don't forget to like this video and also share this to the person who is needed this trick. Also check the description box if you want to start a YouTube channel and don't know how to start. I'm going to help you to start and create a YouTube channel. See you again in another video.